Welcome to this new video, where we will tackle a common problem that many Excel users face when working with VBA code. The problem we are addressing today is related to adding a new row before the totals row in a table, but ending up with a new row added after the totals. Additionally, there is a need to adjust the range of a formula when a new row is inserted. This can be quite frustrating, but fear not, as we have a solution at hand. In the provided VBA code, we focus on the incidence fr_open subroutine. The code sets up the necessary variables, searches for a specific criteria in the situation column, and then copies the corresponding row to another worksheet. The solution revolves around properly locating the position to add the new row, copying the data, and updating the formula range as needed. By following the steps outlined in the code snippet, we can ensure that the new row is added in the correct position and the formula range is adjusted accordingly. To summarize, we have successfully addressed the issue of adding a new row before the totals row in an Excel table and updating the formula range when a new row is inserted. By implementing the provided VBA code, you can efficiently manage data and maintain the integrity of your Excel worksheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe your next Excel challenge will be featured in our next video.